Guys, what's up? It's Honor. Welcome to day 2 in Chronicle of the Life of a Startup Founder. And for starting off, I want to thank you guys for the engagement on yesterday's video. I mean, it was the first of this series, and it got quite the traction I needed for at least the first video. And I promise to bring more exciting ones. And yeah, so I think back to the main thing. Today is 18th September 2025, and we have 1085 users. That's 7 increments from the previous video, and we have 937 projects. I mean, we are getting to 1,000 projects, which is quite crazy for a project that just started off. But yeah, I think that's one. So basically, a recap of what I did today. I handled the fast API feature. So a user on Pixel complained that they had issue with fast API, which is a Python framework, and we had to sort it out, work on the custom build environment for it, and also JavaScript. I think that was React Fight had issues with deployments, and we had to fix that up. So so currently I'm working on the OAuth feature, which is the login feature, where you see kind of on site you see login with Facebook, login with Google. So we have login with Pixel. So I've created the wireframe of how it's going to be basic backend, but I'm still working on a couple of security things to make sure it's secured and your data is well protected and all. So I also worked on a feature which I just finished up, which is a CLI feature. CLI is basically command line interface, which allows you as a developer to deploy your project directly from your terminal. So you don't have to push to GitHub. You just do Pixel, then you add the command, then ship it up, and in seconds you have it live. You have the link there, and you can be able to view your project. So there are a lot of other cool things we're going to bring back on board. And so one other thing is that the CLI feature is not out publicly, it's still in beta mode. So if you want it, you could just write CLI in the comment, then I'll give you access to it. And also if you have suggestions on how we could make this better, I'll appreciate that. Yeah, so just in case you're wondering, why should you use Pixel and not Vercel or Render or Netlify? So here's the thing. Vercel is serverless. It offers for majorly front end. You get Pixel gives you your server instance. It's more like we giving you a server for you to deploy your website. Netlify basically front end. Render, now the feature about Render, the thing about Render is that Render has spin down. So if you don't use your project for long, it's going to take your site down temporarily. So we had to think of, oh god, we don't like that, nobody likes that, so we had to bring it up. And we are partnering with a hackathon, Next Bridge Hackathon in Enugu. So I think I'll try to get the link and add it to this video so you could check it out and sign up for the hackathon. We have cool prize for the winners, especially if you're an existing Pixel user, and we have something very crazy for you. So I think that's just about it. I'm trying to make the video as short as possible. This is just a recap of what happened today. Thank you and thank you and thank you, and let me know how my video looks like now. I think it's slightly better. Yeah, so yeah.